Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nalivin's channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. Okay, today we'll be talking about basic computer kind of skills. I remember the last time, one of our videos last time, I talked about how you can split your computer screen into two, so you can have a look at two things at the same time without having to go through the hassle of opening and closing, or maybe to minimize this and maximize the other. Okay, so today we'll be talking about how you can screenshot on your computer, how you can screenshot. So yeah, you heard me right. You can screenshot on your computer just the way we do on our mobile phones. So today, without wasting so much of our time, I'm just gonna show you how we can screenshot on our computer. Okay, I believe every laptop should have this software. So let's assume we want to. Okay, what thing is, before we do any kind of screenshot, we have to have whatever we want to screenshot ready before we open the applications. This skill is quite good. Are you a student? Are you, maybe if you use laptop on a day-to-day basis, it could be quite beneficial because to save you from maybe putting something down, or maybe making a note down, or maybe saving something, or trying to print it out. You can actually screenshot this and have it saved in your files or your OneDrive, or maybe through email. So whichever way you want to save it, but it saves you the stress of having to put something down or kind of make a note. Just like student, if you're in the class, or you want to maybe you're going through what the teacher is saying is there on the maybe on your system or on the module. What you have to do is take a quick screenshot and have this saved in your email, or have this saved in your OneDrive. Okay, so we are going to, what we are looking for is to get this started. Firstly, go to your window icon. So we are looking for a software called Snip and Sketch. So we're just gonna search for this. So we're not looking for Snip and Sketch. What I do is, when I'm trying to do this, since I know I'm looking for a word that starts with S, just have to drag this down to TS. Let's say an O P. This is, I think I've gone past it. Okay, yeah. So this is it. This is Snip and Sketch. So this is the software that does the screenshot. But just before this, before you open the application, make sure whatever you want to snip and sketch is ready. Let's look for example, we're looking for word, maybe love, for example. Let's assume this is what we want to snip, or should I say to screenshot. Now what we want to screenshot is ready. So we just have to go back to the application, then bring it back up. So and this is it. So once we see that, it's gonna come up because it's ready to perform its action. So it's ready now to snip. All you have to do is, on your tab, just click on it, hold it quite tight. If you don't, this is it. If you want to snip the whole screen, that's it. This is ready. It's kind of screenshot. One is screenshot the whole screen. So now let's assume you want to screenshot just half of what you have on the screen. We're gonna start again. So let's say just half. I don't want everything to be seen, and that's it. Let's say that's it. That's all I want to screenshot. I don't need the person to see maybe the other half of what I have on the system. You can see we have the half part of what was on the screen. And with this, you can actually copy and paste. So you can actually paste it, just what you have just snipped. You can paste it. Let's assume you want to maybe send an email, or any kind of maybe maybe email or your Microsoft Word. I would have showed you my Microsoft Word has expired. I need to renew it because it's a yearly thing, so I need to renew my subscription. I would have showed you how it's done on the Microsoft, on my MS Word document, but my subscription have expired, so I can't. I will be unable to do this at the moment. So we can actually maybe say we want to send email. Let's say we want to send email. It's still on the email, for example. This is a new email. It's there. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Okay, so there might be an error, so I'm just gonna screenshot it again now, and I'll go on to paste in my email. Okay, so I'm just gonna screenshot now, and I'll go straight to my email, and that's it. So straight to my email now. So you see, it's now my email. This is my email. It's in there. I'm gonna maximize it. It's on my email, what I've just screenshot. So everything is in there. So you can now put who you want to send it to. Everything is there. So just the same time, just like like now, you can also write something on this screenshot if you so want. You can say, you can make a note. You can number it, say 1 or 2 or 3. So whichever what you want to do. 4. I don't know why it's not making me write it properly. I think it's from me. Yeah, so whatever you can do, whatever you want to do with it. That's one good thing about screenshot. You can make a note. You can just, instead of making a note which will kind of more of a bit of a stress, you can just screenshot it and then have it saved in your file or in your OneDrive. So I'm just gonna show you again, so firstly, I'm just gonna close this one. So if you want to take a new one, you click on new. Firstly, have whatever you want to. For example, so I'm just gonna search for something else. Let's search for something else. Let's assume we want to search for, let's say, YouTube. Let's see. I have YouTube. Once you first thing, always have whatever you want to screenshot ready. That is the first step. Have whatever you want to snip and sketch ready. Then the second part, open your snip and sketch software, open the application, and once it's open, it's ready to take action. So you snip and sketch, and that's it. Once you're ready, you can just make number 1. You can just number it so you don't get kind of confused. 2, just it can virtually do everything, and that's 3. So that's it. Okay guys, I just thought I should share this with you, with my YouTube family. I learned this at some point in my life, so I just thought share this with you guys. We learn every day. Okay guys, share this with your friends, share with your kids who are maybe in the school. They'll be happy to use this skill. It will be quite beneficial for them because it can save you from every kind of stress of having to use pen and paper to write down something, or having to print or anything. So once you screen, you can save in your file. You can send through email. I mean, practically anything. Okay, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for being on this journey with me. I really appreciate it, I must say. Okay guys, I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, please take absolute care. Bye now.